Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my soap making video. This is Helen from Moonlit Soap Work. It's been a little while since I recorded a video. Have been kind of gray and cloudy lately, so haven't been able to catch the good lighting for filming. Anyhow, so today we are making restocking a batch of my Sweet Dream, which happened to be one of my favorite scents. Sweet peas is the make up about 80% of that this fragrant blend. So this one have sweet peas mostly, and a touch of apple blossom and lavender, a touch of orchid, and a touch of fairy garden. So it's kind of like a floral sweet scents, but the majority of that scents, the heaviest note is going to be sweet peas, which is one of my favorite scents. So this is the base of it, and then this is going to be a white and pink soap. It's very colorful, so I chop up a lot of these soap for embeds. So these are some of my soap pieces from previous batches, and they have different shade of pink going on, and I add in a touch of yellow chunk just to give it a little bit of contrast. So this is going to go into the base, and the base is going to be mostly a pink tone. So I am using this beautiful color. If you can see how pretty this one is. This color is from a local company since I'm in Texas. So this is from Muddy Micas, and this one's called Cabana Cuties. It's a very pretty color. I love this color. And if you have not checked out anything from Muddy Soap, check them out. They wonderful people, and I met them a couple years back at the soap conference, and super friendly people. And they have some beautiful color of micas, and definitely worth checking out. And this is the color. It's gonna tone down a lot in co-process, obviously. From this base, I am gonna add the embed in, and it's gonna go into a tall and skinny mold. Tall and skinny mold. See, it's tall and skinny. Tall and skinny mold, and then on top of that, I'm gonna put a foam layer of white color. So this is titanium dioxide in water right here. It's gonna go into the top section of the bed, and I think that's about it. Here's my normal light water solution. It does have sodium latte in it for hardness, and then my oil base is ready to go. And this is my basic grapeseed recipe with mango butter. Okay, so I think that's about it. Let's make some soap. here you have it. This is Sweet Dream with a touch of gold micas in oil drizzle on top and a simple chopstick swirl. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the cutting video. And once again, thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my soap making videos. I hope you have fun watching this process. It's a bit messy, as you can see. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. And if you want to stay tuned for any of my future videos, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And once again, until next time, happy soaping!